If you're hoping to ace your insurance licensing exam and kickstart a successful career in the industry, it's vital to approach the task of selecting the right preparation course with care, as it can make or break your efforts. When weighing up which insurance licensing course is the best fit for you, there are generally 3 things you'll need to consider: price, flexibility, and learning style. In this video, we'll provide a breakdown of our top recommended insurance licensing courses, taking into account each of these factors. In particular, we'll take a look at the course offering of the following 5 providers: Kaplan, ExamFX, AD Banker, WebCE, and Securities Training Corporation. So without any further preamble, let's dive right into this list with our top recommendation for insurance licensing, which is 1. Kaplan Financial Education. Kaplan came out as a clear frontrunner for our #1 spot for pre-licensing education courses for a number of reasons. Not only is it one of the most recognized names in the industry, its courses also boast impressive pass rates, effective learning tools, and budget-friendly pricing. We were particularly impressed by the following aspects of Kaplan courses. 1. The flexibility Kaplan offers its students with a choice between its 3 different course types is unrivaled. You'll be able to choose between structured, instructor-led classes, and self-directed study, making it a great option for all learning styles. 2. With all of Kaplan Financial's courses, even its lowest priced options, you'll be able to directly interact with your teachers, which is a fantastic way to quickly obtain feedback and answers to any specific doubts you may have regarding the course material. 3. While we found some of Kaplan's more premium options could be a little pricey, it's also had excellent course offerings for students on a budget. 4. One of our favorite learning tools included with Kaplan courses is its database of over 650 study questions organized by topic. This tool allows you to continue to track your understanding as you approach the date of your exam. However, Kaplan's courses aren't a perfect solution for the problem of preparing for insurance licensing exams, and there are some important considerations to bear in mind. For us, our biggest reservation was the forced progression of Kaplan's offerings. Even in its self-directed courses, students are required to finish all aspects of a module before they can move on to the next one. However, we do think this is a small price to pay for one of the best options on the market. 2. ExamFX. ExamFX is another great choice when it comes to insurance licensing courses, though we felt that students didn't quite get as much value for money when compared to Kaplan due to ExamFX's relatively high price tag. With that said, it still represents a solid alternative, and we were particularly impressed with the following features of its courses. 1. ExamFX offers more course options than any other provider that we reviewed. They are also the only provider to have an in-person learning option, which many students find invaluable. 2. Their customizability. If you opt for a lower tier package but still want some of the most popular study tools, you can purchase them a la carte without any problem. This allows you to ensure you get the exact tools you need to study for your insurance licensing exam without paying for those you don't want. 3. One of the features that stood out to us the most was the excellent money-back guarantee ExamFX offers. In addition to multiple practice exams, each course comes with a guarantee exam, GE, that will qualify you for a full refund if you don't pass your exam within 3 days. All you need to do is obtain an 80% or more on this GE. 4. Finally, we love the completely personalized study plan that ExamFX provides each student. This ensures an optimal study experience by tailoring your course from beginning to end, allowing you to maintain a steady learning pace that fits perfectly around your timetable. However, you'll need to weigh up the following considerations before deciding whether this course is right for you. 1. Our main gripe with ExamFX offerings is the price. While these courses are very reliable, they're also some of the most expensive on the market, which makes them unsuitable for some students. 2. While using their packages, we noticed that the ability to combine package options with a la carte tools and create tailored study experiences wasn't as customizable as seen, since the material themselves can't actually be customized. This was a big downside for us, since it meant that you won't be able to isolate the individual topics that you want to focus on as you go through the modules. 3. Finally, ExamFX's courses are generally available to students for a short 2-month window, after which access is revoked. While this won't be a problem for quick learners or those who enjoy cramming, students that prefer to study at a more reasonable pace might find one of the other options on the list a better fit. Ultimately, we believe ExamFX's courses are some of the best on the market, particularly due to their customizability, high-quality resources, and trustworthy instructors. However, they'll likely only be the right choice for you if price isn't a factor and you're a quick learner, as there are a number of strong alternatives at far more competitive prices. 3. AD Banker. AD Banker, which is known for its comprehensive online courses and live virtual classes, made our list of top recommended due to its high-quality resources and excellent a la carte offerings. There were a number of aspects of this provider's course that made us feel it deserved the 3rd place, including 1. Its focus on self-directed learning. AD Banker's courses are perfect for the independent learner, as you're able to work through the required modules on your own, yet still have access to live instructors to help explain any key concepts you may be struggling with. 2. The opportunity of savings with a range of course packages. With 3 tiers available in both the online course options and web class options, AD Banker's packages can be very budget-friendly. 3. The ability to purchase any AD Banker's resources a la carte. This feature is fantastic because it allows you to handpick specific resources you want to purchase. Example, their popular flashcards or study guides. Even if you studied other areas of the course through another provider or went with a lower tier package at first. With that said, there are a few drawbacks to AD Banker's offerings that we noticed while working our way through their courses, including heavy use of jargon, which can make some of the courses a little too difficult to understand for beginners. Due to the number of industry terms used, we think newcomers would need to pay for a more expensive package that includes access to an instructor, such as the web class, to help make sense of this vocabulary. On top of this, while AD Banker's self-directed approach may be appealing for some students, this is not suited for everyone. Instead, if you struggle to keep yourself on track, we think you'd be much happier with a company that provides an instructor-facilitated course. Finally, while it does offer great resources, these learning tools can quickly become quite pricey when purchased a la carte. If money is a consideration, your best option is often just to buy a higher tier package that includes everything that you may want or need to prepare. Overall, AD Banker's insurance licensing courses offer unparalleled flexibility due to its a la carte offerings and are excellent for students looking for a more self-paced approach to learning. However, while its a la carte learning tools provide versatility, they come at a higher cost compared to other providers like Kaplan Financial, and their learning approach is only really ideal for certain types of students. 4. WebCE. Next up on our list, we've got WebCE. This provider stands out from the rest of the course options we reviewed due to how much time it allows students to access to its content without having to pay again. Since a single payment will get you up to 1 year of course access, WebCE is ideal for students looking for a more relaxed pace when preparing for their exams, such as those with personal or work commitments. Alongside this major perk, there were a number of other aspects of WebCE's offerings that led us to believe it belonged on this list, including its Exceed reinforcement feature offered as part of the exam's Prep Plus package. This is an extra module you can opt to take alongside your exam materials that's designed to boost your expertise in your field, helping you ace your insurance licensing exam as well as improve your job prospects after you've passed. We also love the digital flashcard program included as part of the Flash Tutor courses. It's a convenient and effective way to help you consolidate the knowledge of your specific modules and ensure you're ready for the exam. Another aspect we greatly appreciated was the ability to purchase a printed workbook at minimal extra charge. This is a nice touch that's not commonly offered, but that can go a surprisingly long way. Alongside these advantages, it's important to be aware of the downsides of going with WebCE before you make an informed decision on whether it's the right one for you. 1. Our main concern with WebCE is the limited availability of its courses in certain states, including in Alaska, Hawaii, and North Carolina. There can also be significant price variations between states. 2. We were also disappointed by the course's seemingly attractive extras. While tools like Flash Tutor and paper workbooks can seem appealing, we found reports of many students complaining as a result of their underwhelming nature. On balance, despite its drawbacks, we believe that WebCE's extended access period and specialized study tools make it a compelling choice. If you're balancing your studies with a full-time job or other personal commitments, this course provider likely deserves your consideration. 5. Securities Training Corporation. Coming at this spot, we've got the Securities Training Corporation, STC. While largely known for their FINRA study resources, the STC also offers a range of courses designed to help students excel in their insurance pre-licensing exams. The STC's expertise in providing licensing courses shines through in its offerings for insurance professionals, and particularly impressed us for a number of reasons. 1. First off, we especially love the STC's Instructor Hotline and the Premier Plus package. These tools offer you the opportunity to communicate directly with teachers and participate in live classroom sessions, which makes them ideal for students that prefer a more interactive learning style. 2. Speaking of learning styles, the STC has great offerings for visual learners with its on-demand training, which focuses primarily on pre-recorded video lectures covering each subject and allows for a highly engaging learning experience. 3. Finally, we found the recommended study schedule and state-specific certification exams included as part of STC's course to be a huge help, as they removed a lot of the guesswork associated with getting ready for an insurance licensing exam and ensured we stayed on track throughout the course of our preparation. With that said, there are a number of drawbacks to the STC's course offerings that led us to believe it deserves the final spot on our list. Firstly, while its fixed course structure may be beneficial for some students, The structured nature isn't the most accommodating for students who prefer a more flexible, self-directed learning style. If you're looking for a more customizable study plan, you might find this course too rigid. On top of this, while its courses are of high quality and very reliable, the STC's primary specialization is in securities training, which in our experience led to some of the insurance exam content lacking depth compared to a few of the alternatives. Ultimately, while we believe the STC represents a solid option for insurance licensing exam preparation, its course structure isn't suited for everyone. The provider's primary focus on securities training could also suggest a potential limitation in the depth of expertise when it comes to insurance licensing. And that's our list of best preparation courses to help you ace the insurance licensing exam. For more information on this topic, we recommend checking out our Best Insurance Licensing Course Guide, which we've included in the description below. We hope you found this video really useful, and if you have any questions, we recommend exploring the rest of our channel and website for free resources and guides on insurance licensing. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to hit us up.